Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, now start. Create a development store and open apps, then click Develop Apps to generate an API key and secret. Request admin API access and create a permanent token if needed. Choose REST for simple CRUD or GraphQL for efficiency. Pick one and stick with it to reduce context switching. Once done, install ngrok and forward a port for webhooks and app callbacks so Shopify can reach your local dev server. This makes testing real-time events possible. Next, authenticate and validate your calls. If using a private app token, add X Shopify access token. For OAuth, exchange the code and use bearer token in authorization header. Then, make a simple get to /admin/API/2024-01/shop. JSON to verify credentials and the shop domain. Monitor response headers for rate limit information and back off when needed if you expect high volume. Prefer GraphQL bulk or cursor-based pagination to avoid throttling. Make sure to log responses and errors so you can iterate fast. Finish by wiring the full app flow, authenticated API calls, webhook handlers, and front-end callbacks. Verify webhook HMAC signatures on receipt so you trust the payloads. Respond 200 quickly to avoid retries. For large exports, use the bulk API or cursor pagination and implement exponential retry on 429 responses. Finally, rotate credentials regularly and store them in environment variables or a secrets vault. If something breaks, check HMAC, timestamps, rate limit headers, and ngrok tunnel status first. Those solve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.